We are outside of 2411 Blossom Street. Today we'll be taking a look at unit number 3. It's a 2-bedroom, 1 bath. You see the exterior. This is the front from the street. There's a small bit of parking right off the drive here, but there is a driveway that we'll go ahead and go up to now and walk you around and take a look at the covered parking that's outside of the home. You can see there's a covered parking there, as well as off-street parking in the lot on the side of the building here. There's also a washer and dryer, I believe, located in a back room under that covered area as well. So this is the door to the actual unit itself. So we'll step into the kitchen. There's another door off of the other side also. So we come into the kitchen. You have a sink here on the left side, decent cabinet space, sort of a built-in above there. Also have a stove, electric stove, oven, and also a refrigerator as well. Then right off of that you have the living room. See, it's a nice size. You do have hardwood flooring throughout the home. There's parquet wood in the kitchen there, and then sort of a more regular plank hardwood throughout the rest here also. You have a window unit, the living room as well. This door does lead you out to the, other entrance of the property. So you have one on both sides, and sort of if you walk to the right side of the front of the home, that's how you access this side. So off the hall here you have 2 bedrooms. One here. You have a ceiling fan in both rooms. Both bedrooms do have a window unit AC as well. You see a nice size closet there. There's some built-in shelves in that back corner. Apologize for the mop there. But you do have, of course, here a bathroom between the 2 beds, single vanity, and shower and tub, tile. The tile floor is in here. Second bedroom, ceiling fan, again that window unit there, and also the closet, the similar setup with the built-in shelving there on the right side. So again, this home is 2411 Blossom Street. This is unit number 3, a 2-bed, 1 bath. It's located downtown Columbia in the 5 Points area, so that's near USC, close to a lot of local entertainment, shopping, dining as well, and great access to downtown and pretty much most of Columbia, kind of a nice central location. So you can find out more information about this home by visiting our website at turnerproperties.com, or you can give us a call at 803-407-8522.